The We Connect app, the remote control, and the customizable vibrations allow for a partner to choose for you the anticipation, the fun, and the sensations that you're going to experience. You also want to practice with the on and off functions so that in the middle of use, you don't have to learn then. And also using the remote, which allows for hands-free changing of the sensations and pulsations to find what is right for you and your body. When choosing a lube for your pleasure product, use a water-based lube that helps maintain the integrity of the product and also its longevity. What's special and important about the Vector is it comes with 2 motors, dual stimulation, 2 separate motors where one will hit the prostate, the other hits the perineum, and both are customizable based on your body, the fit, and what you find pleasurable. Communication is one of the most important parts when we're trying new things sexually. So you want to talk about and share what feels good. You want to ask your partner if what you're doing is feeling good. And you want to make sure that you are continually adding lube. Because again, sex is about fun and pleasure.